it's been a long ride this morning. No coverage out here at all. Thank God for the first signs of the day. It's only taken an hour. These roads, whew, there's some pretty steep stuff. Not for the faint of heart. Definitely wouldn't want to be out here when it's raining, 100%. Morning guys, it was about an hour and a half ride from Moalboal to get here today to Lugsangan Peak. It's like 1,005 meters or something, and of course, again, I've had to hire a local guide for a 20-minute walk, but that's fine. G'day mate. Where we're going is up to that viewpoint up there. So on our previous mountain we had chilies, and on this mountain it is a sea of spring onion everywhere. Okay, we have wild strawberries. Wild strawberries growing next to the path, but not so many strawberries because apparently everybody likes to pick them and eat them. So maybe we'll just leave the trees alone today. And we're entering the cloud line now with just a little bit of rock scrambling. So, you know, time to be careful. So we're on the summit of Lugsangan Peak, 1,005 meters. My guide, Lids, is very fit. A little bit more friendly than yesterday, but that's okay. And it's full foggy. We can't see much at all, but we're just gonna chill out for a time and hopefully the mist will clear. So it's slowly clearing in patches. We can at least see what we have around us now. Can't see behind to the ocean because that's where all the cloud is coming from, but the sun is actually on me at the moment and a little bit warm, and it feels kind of nice. Same as yesterday, it definitely has the feel of the chocolate hills in Bohol. We still have the place to ourselves, but we have some friends slowly walking up. And when you're on the descent after an hour at the top, and you find yourself surrounded by cos lettuce, wild strawberries, spring onions of course, and a whole field of cabbages in between all the rocks. That's pretty amazing. You can grow anything up here. There you go. And a whole hillside of cos lettuce. Nice. Welcome to the Osmeña Visitors Center. Something tells me there's going to be a lot of people on this one. That's okay. And after a 20-minute scooter ride, we're starting the Osmeña Trail. Osmeña is the highest peak on Cebu Island at 1,013 meters. The sun is already out, so hopefully it stays out for when we get on top. Fingers crossed. So I've been up here for about an hour, and there's a lot of people because it's probably one of the best viewpoints in the entire country, to be honest. But everyone here has a good attitude. The sun is coming and going, but visibility is perfect, and it's the best spot for my last viewpoint in Badian. Nice. Well, that was awesome. Time for the long ride home. Hour and a bit, but back before sunset, just